Ya, el presidente de Naciones Unidas hace una apelación a la comunidad internacional para tomar acción relacionada con la agenda sostenible nueva de Naciones Unidas. Es aquí que para comenzar con transformación que lota a beneficio de gente y el planeta. El primer ministro Mike Manta representando el reino de 70 sesión regular de la Asamblea General de Naciones Unidas en New York. El debate temático de nivel alto está para lograr metas de desarrollo sostenible de manera que Naciones Unidas propone. Esta es SDGs. Sustainable Development Goals está particularmente importante para el Estado insular de desarrollo, este Island SIDS. Así, el consejero especial del secretario general Ban Ki-moon ha contanos con atención para el rol de Aruba en esa.
I've been working on sustainable development for many years. I have seen how small island developing states are particularly susceptible to some of the environmental and social challenges of the world today. They are particularly susceptible to the effects of climate change. It is because of this that I am committed in my work as Special Advisor on climate change to help small island developing states find ways to connect together, work for sustainable development in line with the Sustainable Development Goals, and work on climate change. I have seen the work of Prime Minister Mike Iman in Aruba. I have seen how he has done everything he can to establish a system within your island that contributes to adaptation in the face of the effects of changing climate. Small island developing states are particularly at risk of the effects of climate change, and it is necessary to invest in ways to maximize resilience so that if there are specific climate impacts coming to your island, you are able to protect yourselves. By having a very climate-focused development policy, Aruba has managed to integrate resilience into national development planning. At the same time, Aruba has also got a climate-compatible economy with a particular focus on green growth and on sustainable energy, transport and other sectors.